Hi everyone. So I'm wanting to talk to you kind of about this new trend that is called book snaps. A lot of our students are using Snapchat and Instagram and adding information on top of pictures that they present and share with others. And so book snaps is a way for students to use that knowledge and be able to annotate, connect, question, and predict with things that they are reading. So let's continue. So basically book snaps, you can use them in a novel study. You can have them student-centered. They can come up with their own. You can, if you want to assess a specific part, the teacher can have the students create one. So there's lots of different uses. You can use it with nonfiction and fictional text. And so this is kind of why you need to use them. It's easy, fun, and all students can learn from them. If you want to learn out more, you can always check out this website. Tara is the creator of kind of this concept. So basically, if you're wanting to create a book snap, all you need to do is open the camera feature on either your iPad, your phone, or on your computer. You're going to take a picture of the text that you're reading. It can just be a page. It can be just zoomed up on a specific paragraph. And so this kind of takes you through the steps with the Chromebook. Once you have a good picture, you can open up that picture and you can edit it. You can do it on a computer. You can do it on a PowerPoint presentation because there's all those editing features that you can add as well. And so this is basically a book snap that was created. This one is over the book A Wrinkle in Time. And so the person who did this book snap went through and circled this section. There's some arrows going on. They added some Bitmojis. If your students don't have Bitmojis, they could just add clip art from online. But it shows, and then they write out what exactly happened. Like this one shows Meg is skeptical. She's not very trusting and is nervous about the situation, even though she says she's fine. It says here, like, what do you mean? Oh, no, I'm not. And sounded faint, and they just talk, and it's just a reaction to something that they read. Maybe this is something that they connected to, other things like that. So here's another really good one. This one's over the Watsons Go to Birmingham. They underline the important things. They put a box in, and then they wrote about, like, why his behavior's cool, or is confusing. This is the main character's older brother. He thinks that he's this cool guy, but then he shows compassion after he kills this bird, and an explanation of why they think that this is included in it. This is another one that deals with A Wrinkle in Time. So extra clip art added. This is the specific picture. This is one that's using Snapchat. And so this is just a great resource for anybody who's wanting to maybe help teach students to annotate their text more, and it's a lot more fun. They can use colors, they can use technology. So I hope you enjoy and will utilize book snaps in your next novel study or informational text.